Roy and the Budgie.
Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta.
Roy had a budgie. He called it Joey. Joey flew outside. "Oh no!" said Roy. Roy couldn't get Joey. Joey flew away. Roy went to the wood. He looked for Joey. Roy couldn't see Joey. An ostrich was in the wood. Roy looked at the ostrich. The ostrich looked at Roy. They saw the zookeeper. The zookeeper had a budgie. "It's my ostrich," said the zookeeper. "It's my budgie," said Roy. "Thanks," they said.
The Sandcastle, Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta. The Sandcastle. Chip had a box. He put sand in it. "Pat it flat," he said. Kipper had a box. He put sand in it. Biff had a bucket. She put sand in it. Biff put the bucket on top. "Good," she said. It was a sandcastle. It was a good sandcastle. It was the best sandcastle.
Biff's aeroplane.
Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta.
Biff made an aeroplane. Mum helped her. The aeroplane looked good. Biff wanted to fly it. She went to the park. The aeroplane flew up. It went over the trees. It went over the houses. Biff looked for the aeroplane. Everyone helped. Biff looked and looked. She couldn't find it. She wanted to cry. She went upstairs. The aeroplane was on the bed.
Goal!
Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta.
It was a cold day. Everyone got wet. Everyone got cold. Floppy got tired. Kipper got miserable. Mum got cross. Dad got a goal.
We hope you enjoy reading with us. See you next time. Bye.
Picnic time.
Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta.
Picnic time, said Dad. Biff sat on a log. Some sheep came. Run, said Kipper. They sat on a bridge. Some ducks came. Run, said Chip. They sat on a wall. Some donkeys came. Run, said Biff. They sat on a rock. Oh no! The rain came.
Presents for Dad. Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta. This is for Dad. This is for you, Dad. It is a bunch of flowers. This is for you, Dad. It is a box of chocolates. This is for you, Dad. It is a bunch of grapes. This is for the best dad of all. Reds and Blues. Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta. We are all in red. We are all in blue. Come on, the reds. Come on, the blues. Who is in red? Who is in blue? We are all muddy. The Box of Treasure. Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta. The Box of Treasure. Dad had a map. He hid the map in the sand. Biff found the map.
It is a treasure map,
she said. The map said, "Dig here."
Dig here,
said Biff. Chip dug in the sand. Chip found a box. "Is it a box of treasure?" he said. No, it was a box of sweets. The Headache. Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta. The Headache. Dad had a trumpet. Chip had a drum. Biff had a recorder. Keeper had a guitar. Mom had a headache.
The Mud Pie.
Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta.
This is mud in my hand. Put in water. Mix in sand. Tip it out. Pat it flat. This is a mud pie. Not a hat.
The Pat Shop. Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta. Everyone wanted a pet. Chip wanted a rat. "Oh no," said everyone. Biff wanted a spider. "Oh no," said everyone. Keeper wanted a snake. "Oh no," said everyone. Everyone wanted a goldfish. Hook a duck. Oxford Reading Tree, created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brychta. Hook a duck. Hook a duck, said Mum. Chip had a go. He got a pen. Have a go, said Mum. Biff had a go. Biff got a cat. Go on, hook a duck, said Mum. Keeper had a go. He got a dog. It was a big dog. What a big dog, said Keeper.